How to report incident on Waze. Now, if you want to report incident on Waze, there are two ways. First of all, just simply open the Waze application and you have to be at the site or the location of incident, and then you will see this orange button as the first option. Just simply tap into that for a while and you will see three incidents right here. First one is this vehicles, which is for traffic jam. Second one is to indicate police, and the third one is for crashes and hazards. Just simply select any of these depending on the situation and it will be reported to the Waze. And after doing this, you have another option, speak in the mic. In order to do that, just simply tap into this mic and say hey Waze at very first, and then say the report. For example, hey Waze, report traffic jam. Hey Waze, report crash, like this. I cannot show you this because my microphone is being used for recording. So this way you can very easily report any incident on Waze. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.